What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be discussing 3 reasons why I'm getting rid of my Beats Solo3s and what headphone I'm going to be replacing them with. Before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. The first reason I'm ditching the Beats Solo3s is active noise cancellation, and that is because the Beats Solo3s do not have any active noise cancellation. Now, of course, I knew this before buying the headphones, but it really did grow on me over time how much active noise cancellation is important to the headphone. You truly begin to miss ANC when you're using these headphones outside, working out, commuting, whatever the case may be, and you're not able to tune out any outside noise. The second reason, which is really mainly for people that are considering to buy these headphones and not really people that currently own these headphones, is price. Now, price is a big thing for these headphones. They go for $130 brand new on Amazon, but you may be able to find them cheaper. But based on other headphones out there and other options, these headphones are definitely not worth the $130. You'll be surprised how many great headphones are out there that have more features than these headphones and are actually cheaper, such as the headphone I'm going to mention later in the video. The final reason I'm ditching my Beats Solo3s is the amount of issues I've had with them in the past. So starting with actual, physical issues, I had to replace the ear pads and the ear cushions for the headphones. I actually made a video showing you how to do that if your ear pads are all torn up and destroyed pretty much from use. And also, as far as the headphones itself internally, I dealt with issues such as staticky noise when I am trying to listen to music. I've dealt with sounds or music cutting in and out. And in all these instances, I had to reset it multiple times, and I wasn't able to update it because it was already on the latest firmware. I would like to follow up by saying that the headphones now work perfectly fine, but because of the issues I had in the past with them, whether it's quality or sound quality, I just think it's better off that I leave them alone and I move on to something else. And here is the something else that I am talking about, and that is the Life Q30 headphones by Soundcore. These headphones are amazing. I've had nothing but good experience with these headphones. Maybe 1 or 2 problems, but nothing insane that is worthy of me discussing and really complaining about. Starting off with the ear pads and the ear cushions, they are nice and open. They are actually over-ear headphones, not on-ear, unlike the Solo3s, as well as it has other really nice features. These other features include active noise cancellation. In fact, 3 modes of active noise cancellation, which can all be customized through the Soundcore app, where you can control almost every single aspect of your headphone through the app. So these headphones are app enabled. They do have a more improved battery life than the Solo3s because they do feature 60 hours of battery life with no active noise cancellation or transparency mode, and up to 40 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation, which is still a very impressive battery life comparing to a lot of the newer headphones out there on the market. Another cool feature is NFC pairing, and to top all of this off, this headphone goes for $80 currently on Amazon, so it is $50 cheaper than the Solo3s. So this was my video on why I'm ditching my Beats Solo3s and what headphone I replaced them with. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. It definitely helps out, so make sure you do it. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.